ask you something about your family?
Of course. What do you want to know?
How many people are there in your family?
There are 5 people in my family. My parents, my brother, my sister, and me.
Do you all live together in the same house?
Yes, we live together in a cozy house in the city.
What is your father like? And your mother? What does she do?
My father is strict but very caring. He works a lot to support our family. My mother is a teacher. She is very kind and helps me with my homework.
That's nice. Are you close with your siblings?
Yes, my brother is very funny and my sister is smart. We rarely fight.
What do you usually do together as a family?
We eat dinner together and talk about our day. Sometimes we watch movies.
Do you go out on weekends?
Yes, we often go to the park or visit our grandparents.
That sounds fun. Do you celebrate holidays together?
Of course. We cook special food, decorate the house, and enjoy time together.
I think family time is very important.
I agree. My family always supports me and makes me feel happy.
You are lucky to have such a family.
Thank you. What about your family?
My family is smaller. There are only 3 of us. My mom, my younger brother, and me. Do you get along well with your mother and brother?
Yes. My mom is very supportive, and my brother is playful but kind.
What do you do together as a family?
We like to travel and take photos. We also play games at home.
That's great. Family makes life more beautiful.
Yes, I totally agree with you.
Yes, I think family is the best gift in life.